Ever found yourself scratching your head, wondering where all your money vanished by the end of the month? You meticulously budget, track your expenses, and yet, those sneaky recurring charges seem to chip away at your funds like tiny financial termites. You're not alone. Many of us have wrestled with the mystery of unwanted subscriptions, those digital commitments we made in a moment of enthusiasm but now haunt our bank statements. This brings us to a crucial question. Can Pocketguard, the popular personal finance app, swoop in and be the hero we need to cancel these pesky subscriptions? It's a question many of you have asked, and today, we're diving deep to uncover the truth. Pocketguard has certainly made a name for itself as a powerful tool for managing your finances. Its intuitive interface allows you to link your bank accounts and credit cards, providing a clear overview of your income, expenses, and spending habits. The app excels at categorizing your transactions, setting spending limits, and even projecting your future balance. It's like having a vigilant financial assistant right in your pocket, pun intended. One of Pocketguard's standout features is its ability to identify recurring subscriptions. It diligently scans your transactions and flags those regular payments, offering you a consolidated view of where your money is going month after month. This visibility is a game changer. Suddenly, those forgotten streaming services, dormant software licenses, or unused gym memberships come into sharp focus. Seeing these subscriptions laid out in black and white is the first crucial step towards taking control. Pocketguard empowers you with the knowledge of exactly what you're paying for and how frequently. This awareness alone can be incredibly motivating. You might realize you're shelling out a significant chunk of change on services you barely use or have completely forgotten about. However, and this is a critical point, Pocketguard's role in managing subscriptions is primarily informational. While it brilliantly identifies and displays your recurring charges, it doesn't possess the direct capability to cancel them within the app itself. Think of it as your financial detective, uncovering the clues and presenting you with the evidence. The next step, taking action, still rests in your hands. Once Pocketguard highlights a subscription you want to ditch, you'll typically need to navigate to the specific service's website or app to initiate the cancellation process. This might involve logging into your account settings, locating the subscription management section, and following their cancellation instructions. The process can vary from platform to platform, sometimes being straightforward and other times feeling like navigating a digital maze. So, while Pocketguard doesn't have a magic cancel subscription button, its value in this arena is undeniable. By providing a clear and comprehensive view of your recurring expenses, it empowers you to make informed decisions and take the necessary steps to cut unwanted costs. It acts as a central hub for identifying those financial leaks, saving you the tedious task of manually sifting through bank statements. In essence, Pocketguard equips you with the awareness and the insights needed to tackle your subscriptions head-on. It's a powerful ally in your fight against financial clutter, even if it doesn't directly execute the cancellation for you. It brings those hidden costs into the light, making it much easier for you to reclaim those funds and put them towards your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.